Hello friend, good morning. This is Pankaj Gupta and today I will discuss about the topic of demand analysis which was started in last class. In last class I was discussing the topic of meaning of demand function and law of demand. And today I will discuss about the meaning of individual demand and market demand. So dear friend, what is individual demand? Simply quantity of goods which is purchased by an individual in market is called individual demand. यानी मार्केट में कोई कंज्यूमर यानी सिंगल कंज्यूमर किसी गुड्स की जितनी क्वांटिटी परचेज करता है उसे हम लोग बोलते हैं इंडिविजुअल डिमांड. एंड मार्केट डिमांड सिंपली क्वांटिटी ऑफ गुड्स विच इज परचेज बाई ऑल कंज्यूमर्स विच इज प्रेजेंट इन मार्केट इज कॉल्ड मार्केट डिमांड. एंड डेफिनेटली it is the horizontal sum of individual demand. It means the sum of individual demand is also known as market demand. यानी मार्केट में जितने भी कंज्यूमर हैं अगर मैं उन कंज्यूमर की डिमांड को प्लस कर लूं तो हम लोग मार्केट डिमांड कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. ओके फ्रेंड, दिस इज इंडिविजुअल डिमांड एंड मार्केट डिमांड. एंड लेट्स सी द ग्राफ ऑफ डिमांड. The first graph of Ram's demand curve, second Mohan, and third the sum of Ram and Mohan, and assume that there are only two consumer in market, first Ram and second Mohan. So the sum of individual demand of Ram and Mohan we can derive the market demand. So dear friend, firstly we will derive the individual market demand curve of Ram. At the price of 10 rupees, demand of Ram is 20 unit. If the price reduced to 8 rupees, then demand increased to 40 unit. And finally, it will reduce to 6 rupees, then market demand increased to 50 unit. So the market demand curve, individual demand curve of Ram will be left to right downfall. And same as we can derive the individual demand of Mohan, and it is also left to right downfall. And same as we can derive the market demand curve, and it is also left to right downfall. So dear friend, graph clearly show that demand curve always left to right downfall. यानी अगर आप इंडिविजुअल का मार्केट डिमांड कर्व ड्रॉ करें या मार्केट का डिमांड कर्व ड्रॉ करें, डिमांड कर्व हमेशा लेफ्ट टू राइट डाउनफॉल होगा. वाई? यानी डिमांड कर्व लेफ्ट टू राइट डाउनफॉल क्यों होता है? सो डियर फ्रेंड, देयर आर 4 फैक्टर्स रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इट. फर्स्ट, इनकम इफेक्ट. सेकंड, सब्सटीट्यूशन इफेक्ट. Third, law of diminishing marginal utility, and fourth, law of equimarginal utility. And we will discuss everyone one by one. Okay friend, what is income effect? Anyone know? Okay, listen carefully. If price of a goods reduce, then definitely purchasing power of consumer will increase. So consumer purchase more quantity for the same nominal income. This is called income effect. And due to income effect, demand curve always left to right downfall. Okay friends, suppose your nominal income is 100 rupees and the price of Pepsi is 50 rupees. it means your real income is 2 unit Pepsi and your nominal income is 100 rupees. If the price of Pepsi reduced to 25 rupees, then you purchase 4 unit against the same nominal income of 100 rupees. It means your real income is 4 unit of Pepsi. Now we can say that the real income of consumer is increased, and definitely your real income increase, then you purchase the more quantity of goods. It is called income effect, and due to income effect, consumer purchase the more quantity at the reducing price. So demand curve will be left to right downfall. It is the first factor which is responsible for the downward sloping demand curve. Okay friend. Second, substitution effect. What is substitution? Substitution means एक के बदले में दूसरी. Suppose there are two substitute goods. First assume that Pepsi and second Coke, and price of both goods are same in market. Suppose price of Pepsi is 50 rupees and Coke also 50 rupees, and you have 100 rupees. Then your purchasing power 2 unit Pepsi and 2 unit Coke. If the price of Coke reduced to 50 rupees to 25 rupees, it means your purchasing power is equal to 4 unit Pepsi or 2 unit Coke. In this condition, consumer definitely substitute the Coke with the Pepsi. क्योंकि पेप्सी अब सस्ती हो गई है तो डेफिनेटली कोक की जगह पेप्सी परचेस करेगा. दिस इज सब्सटीट्यूशन इफेक्ट. इन डेफिनेशन, इफ द प्राइस ऑफ ए कमोडिटी रिड्यूस, देन few consumers substitute it with its substitution goods. It is called substitution effect, and due to substitution effect, demand curve will be downward sloping, and it is the second factor for the downward sloping demand curve. And third is law of diminishing marginal utility. You know, I was already discussed the meaning of law of diminishing marginal utility. Okay, law of diminishing marginal utility. It means utility get from every successive unit of a commodity will be always goes down. It means marginal utility of every successive unit of a commodity will be always reduced. So it is law of diminishing marginal utility, and due to law of diminishing marginal utility, definitely consumer purchase the more quantity at the reducing price, because additional unit is less utility in comparison of successive unit. So demand curve will be left to right downfall. So dear friend, this is 3 factors responsible for the downward sloping demand curve. Okay, and next topic will be discussed in next class.